This truck test is brought to you by Castrol Vecton, performance that speaks for itself. New Zealand Trucking visited Superfreight to check out one of their UD tractor units. Superfreight specialise in container and curtainsider work in Auckland and Wellington and have both 11 litre and 13 litre UDs in their 42 truck fleet. They use the 11 litre in 4-wheeler applications and the 13 litre in heavier work powering 6-wheelers, such as this UD Quan. The current 13 litre engine is due to be discontinued, and there is a rumour that a high performance 13 litre group engine will become available in the UD in the near future. We spent a day with Kelly Ben, aka KB, Hokianga. In the UD GW 26470 he drives around Auckland towing a Patchell 3-axle swing lift. It takes a certain type of driver to handle this role. The Auckland traffic is an obvious turn off, and customer service is vital in a role like this, ensuring containers are dropped exactly where they want them and negotiating tight driveways, etc. KB and the UD handled the task excellently, and it's likely that with an upgraded high horsepower engine, the UD will be even more effective at this type of role.